Hello! Today I will show you how to link or unlink the Google Assistant to the power button on your OPPO A2. First, you'll need to go into the settings. Scroll to the bottom and go into additional settings. Then tap on power button. Here in the press and hold the power button section, you can choose between voice assistant and power menu. Whilst voice assistant is enabled, if you press and hold the power button, you will be shown how to actually turn off with this mode enabled your phone. After you tap next and tap got it, and once again hold the power button, you will be prompted to speak to your Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe, because that helps us a lot. Please share your opinions in the comments, and I implore you to visit other videos about your favorite phones.